Once again, welcome back to Zaiqa's World. Today we are going to make a very delicious, different, unique kind of laddu. And it's called almond jaggery laddu. So let's begin with our ingredients. You need almonds, which are 1/4 kg. You then need 4 green cardamom. You then need a bit of jaggery, which should be mashed, and place it in the bowl, and that needs to be about 200 grams. So let's begin with our preparation. What you need to do is heat the pan and add the almonds in. After that, fry the almonds until the vapor is evaporated. Once you have done that, put that to the side. And the mashed jaggery that you've done, you then need to put the mashed jaggery and put that inside the vapored fried almonds. You then need to put in the cardamom, and once you've put the cardamom in, you can grind it all in one. Mix it well. And once you have done that, make that into a nice bowl. There you go, voila! Your beautiful, delicious laddu is ready to be served. You need almonds 1/4 kg, 4 green cardamom, and jaggery, which needs to be mashed, about 200 grams.